If you were to ask me what I was afraid of, I would answer getting old. However, since we have been together, we have lost 3 very precious, very loved grandfathers between us, all of which would have loved to have been in this room today. It is only after these losses that I have realised something. I have realised that it will be a blessing and an honour to get old with you by my side. That's why I go to the gym and lift weights. In case I have to push you in a wheelchair, I'll carry you up to bed.
It's my pleasure to toast my favourite person, and I'm sure a lot of your favourite person, Miss Alicia Palmer. Miller.